Standing at the edge of an infinite maze, every twist and turn reveals a new mystery of the cosmos, a puzzle waiting to be solved. This is the essence of navigating the cosmic labyrinth, where invisible roads stretch across the universe, connecting galaxies, shaping reality, and hiding the secrets of existence itself. But these pathways aren't just lines on a map, they're the threads that weave the fabric of space and time, the unseen forces that dictate how stars are born, how galaxies collide, and how the universe expands. What if I told you that these invisible roads hold the key to understanding dark matter, wormholes, and perhaps even the origins of life? Today, we're diving deep into the cosmic labyrinth, exploring the tools scientists use to map these hidden highways and uncovering the breathtaking truths they reveal about the universe we call home. This isn't just a journey through space, it's a journey through the very essence of reality itself. Let's begin. Picture the universe not as a void, but as an intricate maze, a labyrinth where every corner hides a new mystery and every path leads to a deeper understanding of reality. This metaphor of the cosmic labyrinth isn't just poetic, it's a powerful way to visualize how the universe operates. Gravity acts as the unseen hand that shapes the walls of this maze, while dark matter threads through its corridors like invisible scaffolding, holding everything together. The cosmic web, with its vast filaments stretching across billions of light years, forms the backbone of this labyrinth, connecting galaxies in a delicate yet unbreakable network. Then there are the spiraling arms of galaxies themselves, swirling like pathways through the cosmic maze, each one a testament to the forces that govern the universe. But here's the question: with such complexity, how do we even begin to make sense of it all? The answer lies in the tools and theories scientists have developed to navigate this grand puzzle. From the mathematics of general relativity to the cutting-edge technology of space telescopes, we've built a toolkit to chart our way through the cosmic labyrinth. Each discovery, each breakthrough, is like finding a new turn in the maze, bringing us closer to understanding the universe's deepest secrets. So, as we venture deeper into this metaphorical labyrinth, remember, it's not just about solving the puzzle. It's about marveling at the beauty of the journey itself. For centuries, humans gazed at the night sky with nothing more than their eyes, wondering what lay beyond the stars. Then came the telescope, a simple yet revolutionary invention that changed everything. These instruments, from Galileo's modest spyglass to the towering observatories of today, act as our eyes into the cosmic labyrinth. They don't just magnify distant objects, they allow us to travel back in time, capturing light that has journeyed for millions or even billions of years to reach us. Think about it. When you look through a telescope, you're not just seeing a star. You're witnessing a moment frozen in the universe's history. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has given us breathtaking images of galaxies colliding, nebulae birthing new stars, and even the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself, known as the cosmic microwave background. Yet, as powerful as telescopes are, they're only the first step. Observing the universe is like finding a map. It's up to us to decipher what it means. That's where theoretical models come into play, turning raw data into the language of the cosmos. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come, from those early stargazers to the cutting-edge technology that lets us glimpse the very edges of existence. While telescopes allow us to observe the universe, they only tell part of the story. To truly navigate the cosmic labyrinth, we need more than just a map. We need a guidebook. That's where theoretical models and simulations come into play. These tools are like the interpreters of the cosmos, translating the chaos of the universe into a language we can understand. Imagine trying to predict the path of a single star in a galaxy, let alone the movement of billions of stars across billions of years. It's a task that seems impossible, yet theoretical models make it achievable. By simulating the behavior of galaxies, dark matter, and even entire cosmic structures, scientists can predict how the universe evolves over time. These models are our way of testing ideas, like running experiments in a cosmic lab. But here's the catch: no model is perfect. The universe is a complex, ever-changing system, and even the most advanced simulations can only approximate its behavior. For example, while models can predict how dark matter shapes galaxies, they can't yet fully explain what dark matter actually is. This is where the limitations of theoretical models become apparent. They're only as good as the assumptions we make. And that's why observation and experimentation go hand in hand. Without real-world data to test and refine these models, they'd be little more than educated guesses. This is also where particle physics enters the picture. By studying the tiniest building blocks of the universe, scientists can uncover clues about the forces that shape the cosmos on the largest scales. Think of it this way: if the cosmic labyrinth is a vast, intricate network of roads, particle physics helps us understand the materials those roads are made of. It's a partnership between the theoretical and the experimental, the cosmic and the microscopic. Together, they form a more complete picture of the universe, one that brings us closer to unraveling its deepest mysteries. So, as we continue our journey through the cosmic labyrinth, remember this: every observation, every simulation, every experiment is a step forward. It's a reminder that understanding the universe isn't just about finding answers, it's about asking better questions. And with each discovery, we inch closer to uncovering the invisible roads that connect us to the cosmos. Now, let's turn our attention to one of the most elusive and fascinating aspects of the cosmic labyrinth: dark matter. Imagine a substance that doesn't emit light, doesn't interact with electromagnetic forces, and yet makes up a staggering 85% of the universe's total mass. This invisible giant is everywhere, shaping galaxies, bending light, and holding the cosmos together. Yet we've never directly observed it. So how do we even know it exists? The answer lies in the subtle clues it leaves behind. Galaxies spin faster than they should based on the visible matter we can see, and light from distant objects bends in ways that can't be explained by ordinary matter alone. These anomalies hint at the presence of something invisible, something massive, something we call dark matter. But here's the challenge: if dark matter doesn't interact with light or ordinary matter in the ways we're used to, how do we detect it? This is where particle physics steps in. Deep underground, shielded from cosmic noise, scientists have built detectors designed to catch the faintest signals of dark matter particles. These experiments are like cosmic fishing trips, waiting patiently for a rare and elusive catch. Meanwhile, particle colliders like the Large Hadron Collider are smashing particles together at incredible speeds, recreating conditions from the early universe in the hopes of producing dark matter particles. While we haven't found definitive proof yet, every experiment brings us closer to uncovering this hidden giant. What's truly exciting is what dark matter could reveal about the universe. If we can identify its particles, we might unlock new pathways through the cosmic labyrinth, shedding light on how galaxies form, how they cluster together, and even how the universe itself evolved. Dark matter isn't just a missing piece of the puzzle, it's a gateway to understanding the very structure of reality. But as mysterious as dark matter is, it's only part of the story. There's another force at play, one that's even more enigmatic, dark energy, and that's where our journey takes us next. While dark matter holds galaxies together, dark energy is the force that pulls the universe apart. Imagine standing on a vast, empty plain, watching as the horizon stretches farther and farther away with every passing moment. That's what dark energy does to the cosmos. It's an invisible, relentless force that's pushing galaxies away from each other at an ever-increasing speed. Unlike gravity, which brings objects closer together, dark energy works in the opposite direction, driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. But what exactly is it? That's the million-dollar question. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe's total energy, dwarfing even dark matter in its influence. Yet, despite its overwhelming presence, we know almost nothing about it. The first clues came in the late 1990s, when astronomers studying distant supernova noticed something strange. The universe wasn't just expanding, it was expanding faster and faster over time. This discovery turned our understanding of the cosmos upside down. Instead of gravity slowing the universe's expansion, as scientists had expected, something was overpowering it. That something is dark energy. To grasp its impact, think of the cosmic web as a tapestry woven from threads of galaxies and dark matter. Dark energy is the force that's stretching that tapestry, pulling the threads farther apart. Over billions of years, as dark energy continues to push, the web grows sparser, with galaxies drifting further and further away from each other. But what does this mean for the future of the universe? If dark energy keeps accelerating expansion, the cosmic web could eventually unravel, leaving galaxies isolated in an ever-expanding void. This raises a profound question. Will the universe continue expanding forever, or will dark energy's influence change over time? Some theories suggest that dark energy could weaken, allowing gravity to eventually pull everything back together in a big crunch. Others propose that it might grow stronger, tearing apart not just galaxies, but even atoms themselves in a catastrophic big rip. While these scenarios sound like science fiction, they're grounded in real scientific inquiry, driven by the mysteries of dark energy. For now, scientists are working tirelessly to uncover its secrets. Projects like the Dark Energy Survey and the upcoming Euclid Space Telescope aim to map the universe's expansion in unprecedented detail, offering new insights into this enigmatic force. By studying how dark energy shapes the cosmic web, we might finally understand its nature, and with it, the ultimate fate of the universe. Dark energy reminds us that the cosmic labyrinth is not just a static maze, but a dynamic, ever-changing landscape. As we explore its twists and turns, we're not just uncovering the universe's secrets, we're also learning how fragile and interconnected it all is. And that's what makes this journey so extraordinary. The cosmic web is the universe's grand architecture, a sprawling network of filaments that acts as the hidden framework of everything we see. Imagine it as the skeleton of the cosmos, a delicate yet immense structure woven from dark matter and gas, stretching across billions of light years. These filaments are like invisible highways, connecting galaxies and galaxy clusters in an intricate dance of gravity and motion. They're not just random lines in the void, they're the pathways along which matter flows, shaping the universe as we know it. But here's the thing, mapping something so vast and invisible isn't easy. How do you chart the course of roads you can't see? The answer lies in one of the universe's most fascinating phenomena, gravitational lensing. Gravitational lensing is essentially nature's magnifying glass. When massive objects like galaxy clusters bend the fabric of space-time, they distort the light traveling from objects behind them. This distortion acts like a lens, magnifying, and sometimes even multiplying the images of distant galaxies. It's a cosmic trick of light that allows us to peer into the depths of the universe, revealing the otherwise invisible filaments of the cosmic web. By analyzing these distortions, scientists can trace the distribution of dark matter, the unseen scaffolding that holds the web together. It's like using shadows to map the shape of an invisible object, a brilliant workaround to study what we can't directly observe. But gravitational lensing isn't just a tool for mapping the cosmic web, it's also a window into the universe's past. Because light takes time to travel, the images we see through these lenses are snapshots of ancient cosmic history. They show us how the web has evolved over billions of years, offering clues about how galaxies formed and how the universe grew into the intricate structure we see today. This interplay between observation and theory is what makes studying the cosmic web so thrilling. It's not just about seeing what's out there, it's about understanding how it all came to be. One of the most remarkable aspects of the cosmic web is its role as a cosmic conveyor belt, channeling matter and energy across the universe. Galaxies don't just sit in isolation, they're connected by these filaments, constantly exchanging gas, stars, and even dark matter. This flow of material is what fuels the birth of new stars and the growth of supermassive black holes. It's a dynamic, ever-changing system, one that keeps the universe alive and evolving. And yet, despite its enormity, the cosmic web is fragile, its delicate balance easily disrupted by the forces of dark energy and the collisions of galaxies. So, as we piece together the story of the cosmic web, we're not just uncovering the structure of the universe, we're learning how it breathes, how it moves, and how it grows. Each filament, each galaxy, each lensed image is a thread in the tapestry of existence, a clue to the universe's deepest mysteries, and with every discovery, we take one more step through the cosmic labyrinth, marveling at the beauty and complexity of the invisible roads that guide us through the cosmos. Gravitational lensing is one of the most extraordinary tools in our cosmic toolkit, allowing us to see the unseen and map the invisible. Picture a massive galaxy cluster sitting between us and a distant galaxy billions of light years away. The immense gravity of the cluster warps the fabric of space-time, bending the light from the galaxy behind it like a lens. This effect doesn't just distort the image, it magnifies it, revealing details that would otherwise be too faint or distant to observe. It's as if the universe itself is offering us a magnifying glass, helping us peer deeper into the cosmic labyrinth than ever before. What makes gravitational lensing so powerful is its ability to uncover the hidden scaffolding of the universe's dark matter. While dark matter doesn't emit light, it does exert gravity, and that gravity bends light just like ordinary matter does. By studying the distortions caused by gravitational lensing, scientists can trace the distribution of dark matter, mapping its presence across vast stretches of the cosmos. These maps are like blueprints of the cosmic web, showing us where the invisible filaments connect galaxies and galaxy clusters. It's a bit like using shadows to reconstruct the shape of an unseen object, except here, the object is the entire structure of the universe. But gravitational lensing isn't just about mapping the present. Because light takes time to travel, the images we see through these cosmic lenses are snapshots of the distant past. A galaxy whose light has been bent by a lensing cluster might appear as it was billions of years ago, offering a glimpse into the universe's formative years. This makes gravitational lensing a time machine of sorts, allowing us to study how galaxies and the cosmic web have evolved over eons. It's a remarkable way to connect the dots between the universe's past and present, piecing together the story of how everything came to be. One of the most fascinating aspects of gravitational lensing is its ability to create multiple images of the same object. Imagine looking at a distant quasar, a brilliant, supermassive black hole at the heart of a galaxy, and seeing not one, but 4 or 5 copies of it, arranged in a perfect ring or arc around a foreground galaxy cluster. This effect, known as an Einstein ring, is a stunning visual reminder of how space-time itself can be twisted and shaped by gravity. It's also a powerful tool for astronomers, providing multiple perspectives of the same object and allowing them to study it in greater detail. Yet, gravitational lensing isn't just about the grand, large-scale structures of the universe. It can also reveal smaller, more subtle details, like the presence of rogue planets or even the distribution of dark matter within individual galaxies. These smaller-scale lenses are like cosmic detectives, uncovering clues about the universe's hidden components and helping us refine our models of how it all fits together. What's truly remarkable is how gravitational lensing bridges the gap between observation and theory. It's a tangible manifestation of Einstein's theory of general relativity, showing us in real time how mass bends space-time. At the same time, it provides critical data for testing and refining our understanding of the universe's structure and evolution. It's a perfect example of how science often works, by turning the abstract into the observable and the observable into the understandable. As we continue to explore the cosmic labyrinth, gravitational lensing remains one of our most valuable guides. It not only helps us map the universe's invisible roads, but also connects us to its history, its structure, and its deepest mysteries. And with every new observation, every new lensed image, we're reminded that the universe is far more intricate, far more beautiful, and far more interconnected than we could ever imagine. As we venture deeper into the cosmic labyrinth, one of the most astonishing realizations is that the universe isn't just a place, it's also a time capsule. Every beam of light that reaches us carries a story, a snapshot of the cosmos as it existed long before humanity ever looked to the stars. When we observe a galaxy billions of light years away, we're not just seeing it as it is today, we're seeing it as it was when the light left its surface, sometimes billions of years in the past. This phenomenon, known as look-back time, transforms our telescopes into time machines, allowing us to explore the universe's history in vivid detail. But how does this work in practice? Imagine a distant quasar, a brilliant beacon powered by a supermassive black hole. The light we see from that quasar today might have set out on its journey when the universe was less than half its current age. By analyzing this ancient light, we can piece together what the cosmos was like back then, how galaxies were forming, how stars were born, and how the cosmic web was taking shape. It's like flipping through the pages of a cosmic photo album, watching the universe grow and evolve over billions of years. This ability to peer into the past isn't just a neat trick, it's a cornerstone of modern cosmology. By comparing ancient galaxies to their modern counterparts, scientists can trace the evolution of cosmic structures, from the first faint glimmers of star formation to the sprawling galaxy clusters we see today. For example, early galaxies were smaller, messier, and more chaotic, often colliding and merging in a cosmic dance that shaped the universe we know. Over time, these mergers gave rise to the majestic spirals and ellipticals we see today, each one a testament to the universe's relentless drive to organize itself. Yet, time isn't the only dimension at play here. Space itself is full of surprises, constantly shifting and reshaping the cosmic labyrinth. The expansion of the universe, driven by dark energy, stretches the very fabric of space, pushing galaxies apart and altering the paths of light. This means that the light we observe from distant objects isn't just old, it's also stretched or redshifted as the universe expands. This redshift is like a cosmic fingerprint, telling us not only how far away an object is but also how much the universe has expanded since the light began its journey. What's truly remarkable is how all these pieces fit together. By combining observations of ancient light with our understanding of space-time, we can create a timeline of the universe's evolution, from its fiery beginnings in the Big Bang to the vast, intricate web of galaxies we see today. It's a story that unfolds across billions of years, written in the language of light and gravity, and it's one we're still learning to read. But the Cosmic Labyrinth doesn't just show us the past, it also offers clues about the future. As we map the universe's expansion and study the forces shaping it, we gain insights into where it might be headed. Will dark energy continue to accelerate the universe's expansion, pulling galaxies apart until they're lost in an endless void? Or will some unknown force reverse this process, bringing everything back together in a cataclysmic finale? These are the questions that drive us forward, fueling our quest to understand the universe's ultimate fate. In the end, exploring the cosmic labyrinth is about more than just unraveling the mysteries of space and time. It's about connecting with the universe on a deeper level, recognizing that we're part of a story far greater than ourselves. Every beam of light, every ancient galaxy, every twist and turn in the cosmic maze is a reminder of our shared journey through the cosmos, a journey that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold with every discovery we make. What if you could step through a doorway and find yourself on the other side of the universe in an instant? This isn't the stuff of science fiction. It's the tantalizing possibility offered by wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through the fabric of space-time. Picture the cosmic labyrinth as an intricate maze, with wormholes acting as hidden passageways that could let us bypass the vast distances between galaxies. These cosmic shortcuts could change the way we think about travel, time, and even the nature of reality itself. But here's the catch: wormholes remain purely theoretical for now, a fascinating idea born from the equations of general relativity. At their core, wormholes are bridges between two distant points in space-time, like folding a piece of paper so that two separate points touch. Imagine poking a hole through the fold. That's essentially what a wormhole does, creating a shortcut through the cosmic maze. The concept was first proposed by physicists Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in the 1930s, earning them the nickname Einstein-Rosen bridges. But while the math suggests they could exist, we've yet to find any evidence of one in the real universe. The challenges are immense. For a wormhole to be stable, it would likely require exotic matter, a hypothetical substance with negative energy that could counteract the immense gravitational forces trying to collapse the tunnel. Without it, a wormhole would snap shut almost instantly, making it impossible to traverse. Even if we could find or create such a wormhole, the journey through it would be fraught with uncertainty. Would it lead to a distant galaxy, or would it collapse under its own weight, trapping anything inside? These are the questions that keep physicists up at night, but they are also the questions that drive us to explore the possibilities. While wormholes capture the imagination, they're not the only cosmic shortcuts scientists are exploring. Enter cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional defects in space-time left over from the early universe. Imagine these strings as incredibly thin, infinitely long threads weaving through the cosmos. Under the right conditions, they could act as natural wormholes, creating pathways through the cosmic labyrinth without the need for exotic matter. If cosmic strings exist, they might offer a more stable, and perhaps even detectable alternative to wormholes. The idea of cosmic strings is rooted in the physics of the early universe, a time when space-time itself was undergoing rapid changes. As the universe cooled and expanded, these strings could have formed, much like cracks in ice as it freezes. While we haven't observed cosmic strings directly, their existence could explain some of the universe's most puzzling phenomena, from the distribution of galaxies to the faint ripples in the cosmic microwave background. What's truly exciting is how these concepts, wormholes and cosmic strings, challenge our understanding of the universe. They force us to rethink the rules of space, time, and gravity, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Whether or not we ever discover a stable wormhole or a cosmic string, the pursuit of these ideas reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, waiting for us to uncover them. And as we continue to explore the cosmic labyrinth, one thing is certain: the journey is just as thrilling as the destination. Now, let's zoom in on one of the most intriguing ideas in modern cosmology: cosmic strings. Picture the universe not as a smooth, uniform fabric, but as a tapestry woven with threads so thin and dense that they stretch across unimaginable distances, carrying with them the echoes of the universe's earliest moments. These hypothetical structures, known as cosmic strings, are thought to be one-dimensional defects in space-time, relics from a time when the universe was hotter, denser, and far more chaotic. If they exist, they could be the ultimate cosmic highways, guiding matter and energy through the labyrinth of the universe in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Cosmic strings are a bit like cracks in ice, forming as the universe cooled and expanded after the Big Bang. Just as water freezing into ice creates fractures, the rapid changes in the early universe could have left behind these ultra-thin, infinitely long threads. Unlike wormholes, which require exotic matter to stay open, cosmic strings are a natural byproduct of cosmic evolution. They're thought to be incredibly dense, with a single string potentially weighing as much as an entire galaxy packed into a thread no wider than a proton. Despite their minuscule size, their gravitational influence could be enormous, shaping the movement of galaxies and even bending light itself. What makes cosmic strings so fascinating is their potential to act as cosmic highways. Imagine these threads weaving through the universe, connecting distant regions like invisible train tracks. Matter and energy could flow along these pathways, creating ripples in the cosmic web and influencing the formation of galaxies. They might even explain some of the universe's most puzzling features, like the distribution of galaxies or the faint patterns in the cosmic microwave background. While we haven't observed cosmic strings directly, their existence could solve some of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. But cosmic strings aren't just about the large-scale structure of the universe, they also connect us to the smallest particles. At their core, these strings are a bridge between the cosmic and the quantum, linking the vastness of the cosmos to the tiniest building blocks of reality. They remind us that the universe operates on multiple scales, from the subatomic to the supergalactic, and that understanding one often requires exploring the other. The search for cosmic strings is a detective story on a cosmic scale. Scientists are scouring the skies for subtle clues, like tiny ripples in space-time or unexpected distortions in the light from distant galaxies. While definitive proof remains elusive, the pursuit itself is a testament to humanity's curiosity and ingenuity. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a puzzle to solve, it's a journey of discovery, one that challenges us to think bigger, dig deeper, and imagine the unimaginable. As we unravel the mysteries of cosmic strings, we're not just exploring the fabric of the universe, we're also uncovering the threads that connect us to its origins. Whether or not these cosmic highways exist, the questions they raise push us to rethink what we know about space, time, and the very nature of reality. And in that process, we're reminded that the universe is far stranger, far more intricate, and far more beautiful than we could ever have imagined. Now, let's step into a realm where the rules of the universe seem to bend and twist in ways that defy our everyday experience. This is the world of quantum mechanics, a place where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where the act of observing something can change its behavior, and where the concept of certainty gives way to probability. At this microscopic scale, the universe operates in a way that feels almost like magic, but it's not magic, it's the fundamental reality of existence, and it's deeply connected to the cosmic labyrinth we've been exploring. Quantum mechanics reveals a universe that's far stranger than anything we encounter in our daily lives. Particles don't just follow predictable paths, they can exist in superpositions, meaning they're in multiple places or states simultaneously until they're observed. This phenomenon, known as quantum superposition, is like having a cosmic coin that's both heads and tails at the same time until you look at it. Then it chooses one state. But here's the kicker: this isn't just a quirk of tiny particles. It's a fundamental aspect of reality, and it raises profound questions about how the universe works at every scale. So, how does this quantum weirdness connect to the grand structure of the cosmic labyrinth? The answer lies in the quest to unify the two great pillars of modern physics: quantum mechanics and general relativity. While quantum mechanics governs the behavior of the smallest particles, general relativity describes the large-scale structure of space-time, from the orbits of planets to the bending of light around massive galaxies. These two theories are incredibly successful in their own domains, but they don't play well together when we try to apply them to the same situations. Like the center of a black hole or the birth of the universe, they break down. This is where quantum gravity comes in. Quantum gravity is the holy grail of modern physics, a theoretical framework that seeks to bridge the gap between the quantum world and the cosmic scale. It's an attempt to describe how gravity works at the level of individual particles, where the rules of quantum mechanics take over. Imagine trying to understand the cosmic labyrinth not just as a vast, interconnected web, but as a tapestry woven from trillions of tiny, flickering threads, each one governed by the strange and unpredictable rules of the quantum realm. That's the challenge quantum gravity aims to tackle. One of the leading candidates for a theory of quantum gravity is string theory. In this framework, particles aren't tiny dots, but instead are incredibly small, vibrating strings. These strings can twist and vibrate in different ways, giving rise to the particles and forces we observe in the universe. Think of it like the strings on a musical instrument. Each vibration produces a different note, and together they create a symphony of particles. What's remarkable is that string theory also predicts the existence of higher dimensions, hidden layers of reality that could explain some of the universe's deepest mysteries. But string theory isn't the only player in the game. Another approach, known as loop quantum gravity, imagines space-time itself as a network of interconnected loops. In this view, the fabric of the universe isn't smooth and continuous, but rather made up of tiny, discrete chunks. It's like zooming in on a digital image until you see the individual pixels, except here, the pixels are the building blocks of space and time. This idea challenges our everyday understanding of reality. suggesting that even the seemingly smooth expanse of the cosmic labyrinth is fundamentally granular. What makes these theories so exciting is their potential to unlock new pathways through the cosmic labyrinth. If we can understand how gravity operates at the quantum level, we might gain insights into phenomena like black holes, wormholes, and even the origins of the universe itself. For example, some theories suggest that the Big Bang wasn't a singular event, but rather a quantum fluctuation, a tiny ripple in the fabric of space-time that grew into the vast cosmos we know today. As we delve deeper into the quantum realm, we're reminded that the universe is far more interconnected than it appears. The same principles that govern the behavior of particles in a lab might also shape the largest structures in the cosmos. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a maze of galaxies and dark matter, it's also a tapestry woven from the threads of quantum mechanics, a world where the smallest and largest scales are intimately linked. And that's the beauty of this journey. Every discovery, every theory, every question brings us closer to understanding the universe as a whole. Whether we're peering into the quantum realm or mapping the cosmic web, we're uncovering the invisible roads that connect everything, from the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies. And as we continue to explore, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far stranger, far more intricate, and far more wondrous than we could ever have imagined. The universe is a place of breathtaking scale, from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of galaxies. Yet, as we've journeyed through the cosmic labyrinth, we've encountered a fascinating problem. The rules that govern the very small don't align with those that shape the very large. Quantum mechanics, the framework that explains the behavior of particles, seems to operate in a completely different language than general relativity, Einstein's theory of gravity and space-time. This disconnect isn't just a technical issue, it's a fundamental puzzle about the nature of reality itself. Enter quantum gravity, the ambitious quest to bridge these two worlds and uncover a unified theory that works at every scale. At its core, quantum gravity seeks to answer one of the most profound questions in physics. How does gravity behave in the realm of the ultra-small? In the quantum world, particles don't follow the neat, predictable paths we're used to. Instead, they exist in a haze of probabilities, popping in and out of existence, sometimes even behaving like waves. But when we zoom out to the cosmic scale, gravity takes center stage, bending space-time and shaping the structure of the universe. The challenge is that these two frameworks, quantum mechanics and general relativity, don't agree on how to describe the same phenomena. To understand why this matters, think of the cosmic labyrinth as a vast network of roads. Quantum mechanics gives us the rules for navigating the smallest streets and alleys, while general relativity helps us map the highways and interstates. But what happens when we need to travel between the two? Without a unified theory, we're left with gaps in our understanding, moments where the map falls apart. Quantum gravity aims to fill those gaps, offering a single set of rules that can guide us through the entire labyrinth, from the subatomic to the cosmic. One of the most promising approaches to quantum gravity is string theory. In this framework, particles aren't tiny dots but rather incredibly small, vibrating strings. These strings can twist and vibrate in different ways, creating the particles and forces we observe in the universe. It's like a cosmic symphony, where each vibration produces a different note or particle. What's remarkable is that string theory also suggests the existence of higher dimensions, hidden layers of reality that could explain some of the universe's deepest mysteries. For example, these extra dimensions might hold clues about the nature of dark energy or the behavior of black holes, but string theory isn't the only player in the game. Another approach, known as loop quantum gravity, takes a completely different path. Instead of focusing on vibrating strings, this theory imagines space-time itself as a network of interconnected loops. In this view, the fabric of the universe isn't smooth and continuous, but rather made up of tiny, discrete chunks. It's like zooming in on a digital image until you see the individual pixels, except here, the pixels are the building blocks of space and time. This idea challenges our everyday understanding of reality, suggesting that even the seemingly smooth expanse of the cosmic labyrinth is fundamentally granular. What makes these theories so exciting is their potential to unlock new insights into the universe's most mysterious phenomena. For instance, they could help us understand what happens at the center of a black hole, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. They might also shed light on the origins of the universe itself, offering a glimpse into the moments just after the Big Bang. Some theories even suggest that the Big Bang wasn't a singular event, but rather a quantum fluctuation, a tiny ripple in the fabric of space-time that grew into the vast cosmos we know today. Yet for all their promise, these theories are far from complete. The mathematics involved is incredibly complex, and experimental evidence remains elusive. But that's part of what makes this journey so thrilling. Every new idea, every new equation, brings us closer to understanding the universe as a whole. It's a reminder that science isn't just about finding answers. It's about asking better questions, pushing the boundaries of what we know, and exploring the unknown. As we continue to explore the cosmic labyrinth, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far more interconnected than it appears. The same principles that govern the behavior of particles in a lab might also shape the largest structures in the cosmos. And while the quest for quantum gravity is still in its early stages, it's a testament to humanity's curiosity and determination. It's a journey that takes us to the very edge of understanding, where the smallest and largest scales meet, and where the invisible roads of the universe reveal their deepest secrets. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about physics, it's also about life. As we unravel the mysteries of quantum gravity, we're reminded that we're part of this vast, intricate web, connected to the universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. And in that connection, we find not just answers, but a deeper sense of wonder and awe for the cosmos we call home. As we navigate the cosmic labyrinth, one question looms larger than any other: are we alone? The search for life beyond Earth isn't just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey that touches the very essence of what it means to be human. From the icy oceans of Europa to the distant exoplanets orbiting other stars, scientists are scouring the universe for clues that might answer this profound question. And with every discovery, every new insight, we're not just exploring the cosmos, we're redefining our place within it. The search for extraterrestrial life begins close to home, right here in our own solar system. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, for example. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast, salty ocean, one that could harbor the ingredients for life. Scientists believe that hydrothermal vents on Europa's ocean floor might provide energy and nutrients, creating an environment where life could thrive, much like the deep-sea ecosystems on Earth. Similarly, Saturn's moon Enceladus sprays plumes of water vapor into space, hinting at a subsurface ocean that might also be a candidate for life. These icy moons are like cosmic oases, offering tantalizing possibilities in our own celestial backyard. But the search doesn't stop there. Beyond our solar system, the discovery of exoplanets' worlds orbiting other stars has opened up a universe of possibilities. Over the past few decades, astronomers have identified thousands of these distant worlds, many of which lie in the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. Water, as we know it, is a key ingredient for life, and finding it on another planet could be a game changer. Take Proxima Centauri b, for instance, a rocky exoplanet just over 4 light-years away. It's close enough to its star to potentially have liquid water, making it a prime candidate in the search for life. But how do we detect life on these distant worlds? That's where technology comes in. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are revolutionizing our ability to study exoplanets in unprecedented detail. By analyzing the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere, scientists can identify chemical signatures, gases like oxygen, methane, or even complex organic molecules that might indicate the presence of life. It's like reading a cosmic fingerprint, one that could reveal whether we're truly alone in the universe. Yet, the search for life isn't just about finding evidence of its existence. It's about understanding what life might look like in environments vastly different from our own. On Earth, life thrives in some of the most extreme conditions imaginable, from scorching hot springs to the freezing depths of the ocean. These extremophiles challenge our assumptions about where life can exist and push us to think creatively about what forms it might take elsewhere. Could life on another planet use a different biochemistry, relying on something other than water or carbon? Could it exist in forms we can't even imagine? These are the questions that drive the search forward, reminding us that life in the cosmos might be far stranger than we ever anticipated. Technology is the key that unlocks these possibilities. From robotic explorers on distant moons to advanced telescopes peering into the atmospheres of exoplanets, every tool we develop brings us closer to answering the ultimate question. But it's not just about the hardware, it's about the ingenuity and creativity of the scientists who use it. They're the ones navigating the cosmic labyrinth, piecing together clues from across the universe to uncover its deepest secrets. As we continue this search, we're reminded that the quest for extraterrestrial life isn't just about finding answers, it's about expanding our understanding of what life means. Whether we discover microbial life on a distant moon or detect the faint signals of a civilization light years away, the implications are profound. It would change not just how we see the universe, but how we see ourselves. Are we unique, or are we just one thread in a vast cosmic tapestry? The answer lies somewhere in the labyrinth, waiting to be discovered. The search for life is a journey that connects us to the cosmos in the most intimate way. It's a reminder that we're part of something far greater than ourselves, and that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And as we explore, we're not just navigating the cosmic labyrinth, we're leaving our own mark on it, one discovery at a time. The tools we use to explore the cosmos are evolving at an astonishing pace, transforming how we navigate the cosmic labyrinth. Just a few decades ago, our view of the universe was limited to what we could observe through Earth-bound telescopes. Today, we're harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cutting-edge engineering to push the boundaries of what's possible. AI-driven telescopes, for instance, are revolutionizing the way we process astronomical data. These systems can sift through millions of images in seconds, identifying patterns and anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's like having a tireless cosmic detective, working around the clock to uncover the universe's secrets. But the advancements don't stop there. Space probes like NASA, a Parker Solar Probe, and the European Space Agency's JUICE mission are venturing into uncharted territories. from the scorching atmosphere of the Sun to the icy moons of Jupiter. These robotic explorers are equipped with state-of-the-art instruments designed to withstand extreme conditions, sending back data that's reshaping our understanding of the solar system and beyond. And then there's the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering that's peering deeper into the cosmos than ever before, capturing light from the earliest galaxies and revealing the chemical makeup of distant exoplanets. Yet, as powerful as these tools are, they're only part of the equation. To truly unlock the potential of cosmic exploration, we need more than just technology, we need collaboration. International space agencies like NASA, ESA, and JAXA are joining forces, pooling resources and expertise to tackle some of the universe's biggest mysteries. Take the Artemis program, for example, a global effort to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence there. This isn't just about planting flags, it's about creating a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. Collaboration also extends to private companies, which are playing an increasingly vital role in space exploration. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are developing reusable rockets and innovative spacecraft, making space travel more accessible and affordable. These partnerships between public and private sectors are driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, proving that the future of cosmic exploration is a shared endeavor. What's truly exciting is how these advances are democratizing space exploration. Citizen scientists and amateur astronomers are contributing to groundbreaking discoveries, using data from space telescopes or building their own instruments to study the cosmos. Platforms like Zooniverse allow anyone with an internet connection to participate in real scientific research, from classifying galaxies to hunting for exoplanets. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just for professional scientists, it's a journey we can all be part of. As we look to the future, it's clear that technology will continue to play a pivotal role in our exploration of the universe. From AI and robotics to international partnerships and citizen science, we're building the tools and connections needed to navigate the cosmic labyrinth like never before. But at its heart, this journey isn't just about technology, it's about our shared curiosity, our drive to understand the universe, and our determination to push the boundaries of what's possible. And with every step forward, we're reminded that the cosmos isn't just a place to explore, it's a story we're all helping to write. The journey through the cosmic labyrinth isn't one that any single country or organization can navigate alone. It's a collective endeavor, a shared mission that transcends borders and unites humanity in the pursuit of knowledge. International collaboration has become the cornerstone of modern space exploration, with agencies like NASA, the European Space Agency, and JAXA working hand in hand to unlock the universe's deepest secrets. By combining resources, expertise, and perspectives, these organizations are achieving what would be impossible in isolation, pushing the boundaries of human understanding and bringing us closer to answering some of the most profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Take the International Space Station, for example. This orbiting laboratory isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's a symbol of what we can accomplish when we work together. Built and operated by a partnership of 15 nations, the ISS has been a hub for groundbreaking research, from studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to developing technologies that could shape the future of space travel. It's a reminder that the challenges of exploring the cosmos are too vast for any one nation to tackle alone, but together we can achieve extraordinary things. this spirit of collaboration extends far beyond the ISS. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, a joint effort between NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, are redefining our understanding of the universe. By pooling resources and expertise, these agencies were able to build a telescope capable of peering back in time to the earliest moments of the universe, capturing images of galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we unite under a common goal, sharing not just technology, but also a sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. But international collaboration isn't just about the big, headline-grabbing missions. It's also about the smaller, incremental steps that build the foundation for future exploration. For instance, JAXA Hayabusa 2 mission, which brought samples from an asteroid back to Earth, relied on data and support from international partners. These samples, now being studied by scientists around the world, could provide clues about the origins of our solar system, and perhaps even the building blocks of life itself. It's a reminder that every mission, no matter how small, contributes to the larger story of humanity's quest to understand the universe. What makes this collaborative approach so powerful is the diversity of perspectives it brings to the table. Each agency, each scientist, each engineer brings their own unique skills and insights, creating a rich tapestry of ideas that drive innovation forward. It's not just about sharing resources, it's about sharing knowledge, learning from one another, and building on each other's successes. This collaborative spirit is what makes space exploration not just a scientific endeavor, but a deeply human one, a testament to our ability to come together in the face of challenges and work toward a common goal. And while space agencies play a crucial role, they're not the only ones contributing to this global effort. Universities, research institutions, and even private companies are increasingly involved in collaborative projects, bringing fresh ideas and cutting-edge technology to the table. Initiatives like the Square Kilometre Array, a massive radio telescope being built across multiple continents, are proof of what can happen when the global community unites around a shared vision. By working together, we're not just exploring the cosmos, we're building a legacy of cooperation that transcends borders and inspires future generations. The Cosmic Labyrinth isn't just a maze for scientists to navigate, it's a journey for all of humanity. Every discovery, every mission, every collaboration reminds us that we're part of something larger than ourselves, a shared story of exploration and discovery that connects us to the universe and to each other. And as we continue to explore, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, we're also discovering what we're capable of when we come together as one. Imagine being able to explore the cosmos from your living room, uncovering distant galaxies or spotting new planets with just a few clicks. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of citizen science, a movement that's transforming how we explore the universe. By inviting the public to participate in real scientific research, citizen science projects are breaking down barriers and making cosmic exploration accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply someone with a curious mind, these initiatives offer a chance to contribute to groundbreaking discoveries and connect with the wonders of the universe in a deeply personal way. One of the most remarkable aspects of citizen science is its ability to harness the collective power of people around the world. Projects like Galaxy Zoo, for example, invite participants to classify galaxies based on their shapes, helping astronomers understand how these cosmic structures form and evolve. With millions of galaxies captured by telescopes, The sheer volume of data is overwhelming for professional scientists to process alone, but with the help of thousands of volunteers, patterns emerge, insights are gained, and new questions are raised. It's a perfect example of how collaboration on a global scale can drive scientific progress. The beauty of these projects lies in their simplicity. You don't need a degree in astrophysics or a high-powered telescope to participate. All it takes is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Take the search for exoplanets, for instance. Platforms like Zooniverse allow anyone to analyze data from space telescopes, looking for the telltale dips in starlight that indicate a planet passing in front of its host star. These discoveries aren't just academic, they're deeply personal. Imagine the thrill of knowing you played a role in finding a new world, one that might even resemble Earth. But citizen science isn't just about data analysis, it's also about sparking imagination. When you classify a galaxy or spot a potential exoplanet, you're not just contributing to science, you're engaging with the universe in a way that's profoundly creative. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a puzzle to solve, it's a canvas for exploration, a place where curiosity and wonder intersect. This blend of discovery and imagination is what makes citizen science so powerful. It's not just about what we find, but how we connect with the cosmos on a deeper level. The impact of these projects extends far beyond the data they generate. By involving the public in cosmic exploration, citizen science is inspiring a new generation of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers. Students who participate in these projects often develop a lifelong passion for astronomy, while adults rediscover the joy of learning and exploration. It's a reminder that science isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. And in a world where the universe can sometimes feel distant and inaccessible, citizen science brings it closer, making the cosmos a shared experience. What's truly exciting is how these projects are evolving. Advances in technology are making it easier than ever for people to get involved, from smartphone apps that let you track meteor showers to online platforms where you can help map the surface of the moon. These tools aren't just expanding our understanding of the universe, they're also fostering a sense of community, connecting people across the globe through a shared love of discovery. At its heart, citizen science is about more than just exploration, it's about empowerment. It's a reminder that each of us has the potential to contribute to something greater, to be part of the ongoing story of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Whether you're classifying galaxies, searching for exoplanets, or simply marveling at the beauty of the night sky, you're participating in a journey that transcends borders, disciplines, and generations. The cosmic labyrinth is vast and mysterious, but it's not beyond our reach. Through citizen science, we're not just navigating its twists and turns, we're leaving our own mark, one discovery at a time. And in doing so, we're reminded that the universe isn't just a place to explore, it's a story we're all helping to write. Art has always been humanity's way of reaching beyond the tangible, of giving form to the intangible and making the invisible visible. When it comes to the cosmic labyrinth, artists have long been drawn to its endless mysteries, creating works that capture the awe and wonder of the universe. From swirling galaxies painted on canvas to the haunting soundscapes of space-inspired music, art serves as a bridge between the cold, hard facts of science and the boundless creativity of the human spirit. It's a way for us to explore the cosmos not just with our minds, but with our hearts. Think about the iconic space-themed paintings of the 20th century, like Chesley Bonestell's vivid depictions of Saturn as seen from its moons, or the surreal, dreamlike works of Vincent van Gogh, whose Starry Night seems to pulsate with the energy of the cosmos. These artists didn't just paint what they saw, they painted what they felt, channeling the vastness and mystery of the universe into their work. Their creations remind us that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a source of profound emotional and spiritual connection. But art doesn't just reflect the cosmos, it also shapes how we imagine it. Science fiction films like Interstellar or 2001, A Space Odyssey have pushed the boundaries of how we visualize the universe, blending cutting-edge science with stunning visuals to create stories that feel both futuristic and deeply human. These films don't just entertain, they inspire. They ask us to think about our place in the cosmos, to dream of what lies beyond the stars, and to confront the questions that the cosmic labyrinth raises. What does it mean to explore the unknown? What does it mean to be human in a universe so vast and indifferent? The synergy between art and science goes even deeper. Consider the work of digital artists who use data from space telescopes to create visualizations of distant galaxies or nebulae. These images aren't just beautiful, they're also tools for understanding. By translating raw scientific data into something we can see and feel, these artists help us grasp the scale and complexity of the universe in a way that numbers and equations alone cannot. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just something to study, it's something to experience. Yet, art doesn't just help us visualize the cosmos, it also helps us question it. The cosmic labyrinth is full of mysteries that science is still unraveling, and artists often grapple with these questions in their work. What lies beyond the observable universe? Are we alone, or is there other life out there? These are questions that science is still working to answer, but art gives us a space to explore them in a different way. Through poetry, music, and visual art, we can wrestle with these ideas, not just as intellectual exercises, but as deeply personal reflections on our place in the universe. What's truly remarkable is how art and science feed into each other. The discoveries of science inspire new forms of artistic expression, while the creativity of artists fuels the imagination of scientists. It's a symbiotic relationship, one that enriches both fields and deepens our understanding of the cosmos. Whether it's a painter capturing the glow of a distant nebula or a filmmaker imagining the future of space travel, these creative works remind us that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a scientific frontier, it's a wellspring of inspiration, curiosity, and wonder. As we continue to explore the universe, let's not forget the role that art plays in this journey. It's not just about what we discover, but how we interpret and connect with those discoveries. The cosmic labyrinth is vast and complex, but through art, we can find new ways to navigate its twists and turns, to make sense of its mysteries, and to celebrate its beauty. And in doing so, we're reminded that the universe isn't just something to study, it's something to marvel at, to dream about, and to create with. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, think about how the cosmos has inspired artists throughout history, and how it might inspire you. Whether through a painting, a poem, or a simple moment of reflection, there's no limit to the ways we can explore the cosmic labyrinth. After all, the universe isn't just a place of science, it's a canvas for the imagination. And in that space between the stars, there's room for everyone to dream. As we chart our way through the cosmic labyrinth, it's easy to marvel at how far we've come. Telescopes have revealed galaxies billions of light years away, and particle colliders have unlocked secrets of the subatomic world. Yet, for every question we answer, a dozen more emerge, each one pulling us deeper into the universe's most profound mysteries. These unanswered questions aren't just gaps in our knowledge, they're invitations to explore, to imagine, and to push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Take dark matter, for instance. We know it exists because of the way it tugs on galaxies and bends light, yet we still don't know what it's made of. Is it a new kind of particle, something entirely outside the realm of our current understanding? Or could it be evidence of a hidden dimension, a layer of reality we've yet to uncover? The search for dark matter is a detective story on a cosmic scale, one that challenges us to rethink the very fabric of the universe. Then there's dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. Unlike gravity, which pulls things together, dark energy pushes them apart, stretching the cosmic web ever thinner. But what causes it? Is it a property of space itself, or is it something more exotic, like a new field or energy source? Understanding dark energy isn't just about solving a scientific puzzle, it's about uncovering the fate of the universe itself. Will the cosmos continue to expand forever, or will dark energy's influence change over time, leading to a dramatic collapse or even a cosmic rip? And what about the more speculative ideas, like wormholes and cosmic strings? These concepts, born from the equations of general relativity and quantum theory, suggest that the universe might be far stranger than we imagine. Wormholes, if they exist, could act as shortcuts through space-time, connecting distant parts of the cosmos in an instant. Cosmic strings, on the other hand, could be remnants of the early universe, ultra-thin threads of energy that weave through the cosmic web. Yet, despite their theoretical appeal, we have no direct evidence that either of these phenomena exist. Are they just mathematical curiosities, or could they be real features of the universe, waiting to be discovered? Perhaps the most tantalizing question of all is what lies beyond the observable universe. The cosmos we can see is vast, but it's just a tiny fraction of what might be out there. Are there other universes, each with its own set of physical laws, or is our universe part of a larger multiverse, a cosmic tapestry more intricate than we can comprehend? These ideas might sound like science fiction, but they are grounded in real scientific theories, from string theory to inflationary cosmology. The challenge is that, by definition, the unobservable universe is beyond our reach, at least for now. These unanswered questions remind us that the cosmic labyrinth is a journey without an end. Every discovery opens new doors, revealing paths we never knew existed. And while the mysteries might seem daunting, they're also what make the pursuit of knowledge so exhilarating. It's not just about finding answers, it's about asking better questions, about embracing the unknown, and about marveling at the sheer complexity of the universe. In the end, the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a metaphor for the universe. It's a reflection of our own curiosity, our drive to explore, and our determination to understand the world around us. The journey might be endless, but that's what makes it so extraordinary. With every question we ask, every mystery we unravel, we're not just navigating the labyrinth, we're leaving our own mark on it, one discovery at a time. As we journey through the cosmic labyrinth, it's easy to get caught up in the science, the equations, the data, the discoveries, but there's another lens through which we can explore the universe: philosophy. While science gives us the tools to understand how the universe works, philosophy helps us grapple with the deeper questions of why it exists and what it all means. It's the meeting point of curiosity and contemplation, where the cold precision of science meets the warmth of human reflection. Think about the questions that arise when we peer into the cosmos. What is the nature of reality? Are we alone in the universe? What is our purpose in a universe so vast and seemingly indifferent? These aren't just scientific questions, they're philosophical ones. And while science can provide clues, philosophy helps us interpret those clues, weaving them into a broader understanding of our place in the cosmic tapestry. Take the concept of reality, for example. Quantum mechanics tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. But what does that mean for our understanding of reality? Is the universe fundamentally uncertain, or is there a deeper order waiting to be uncovered? Philosophers have wrestled with these questions for centuries, offering frameworks that challenge us to think beyond the data and consider the implications of what we observe. Similarly, the search for extraterrestrial life raises profound philosophical questions. If we discover life beyond Earth, how would that change our understanding of what it means to be human? Would it diminish our sense of uniqueness, or would it expand our perspective, reminding us that we're part of something far greater? These aren't questions that science alone can answer. They require us to reflect on our values, our beliefs, and our place in the universe. Philosophy also invites us to consider the ethical dimensions of cosmic exploration. As we develop the technology to travel to other worlds, we're faced with questions about how we should interact with them. Should we colonize other planets, or should we preserve them as they are? What responsibilities do we have to potential extraterrestrial life forms? These are questions that go beyond the technical challenges of space travel, touching on our moral obligations as explorers and stewards of the cosmos. But philosophy isn't just about asking questions, it's also about inspiring action. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a puzzle to be solved, it's a call to explore, to dream, and to push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Philosophy reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge isn't just about understanding the universe, it's about understanding ourselves. It challenges us to confront our assumptions, to embrace uncertainty, and to find meaning in the journey itself. In many ways, philosophy and science are two sides of the same coin. Science gives us the tools to navigate the cosmic labyrinth, while philosophy helps us interpret the map. Together, they offer a richer, more holistic understanding of the universe, one that not only satisfies our curiosity, but also deepens our connection to the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, let's not forget the role of philosophy in this journey. It's a reminder that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place of discovery, it's also a place of reflection, a space where we can ponder the big questions and find meaning in the answers. And in that space, we're reminded that the universe isn't just something to study, it's something to experience, to marvel at, and to dream about. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, take a moment to reflect on the philosophical questions they raise. What does the universe mean to you? What role do you play in its vast, unfolding story? These questions might not have easy answers, but they're what make the journey through the cosmic labyrinth so extraordinary. After all, the universe isn't just a place of science, it's a place of wonder, curiosity, and endless possibility. You don't need to be an astrophysicist or have access to a high-powered telescope to explore the cosmic labyrinth. The universe isn't just a playground for scientists, it's a vast, open book waiting for anyone to turn its pages. Whether you're gazing at the stars from your backyard or diving into the latest discoveries from space missions, there are countless ways to connect with the cosmos and contribute to humanity's ongoing quest to understand it. One of the simplest and most rewarding ways to start is by stargazing. All you need is a clear night sky and a bit of curiosity. Apps like Stellarium or Skyview can help you identify constellations, planets, and even distant galaxies, turning your evening into a personal cosmic tour. If you're lucky enough to live in an area with low light pollution, the Milky Way itself might stretch across the sky, like a river of stars, offering a breathtaking reminder of our place in the universe. And if you're feeling more adventurous, consider joining a local astronomy club. These groups often host star parties, where enthusiasts gather to share telescopes, knowledge, and the sheer joy of looking up. But exploring the cosmic labyrinth doesn't stop at observation. You can also get involved in citizen science projects, where everyday people contribute to real scientific research. Platforms like Zooniverse or NAS, a citizen science website, allow you to analyze data from space telescopes, hunt for exoplanets, or even classify galaxies. Imagine being the first person to spot a distant world or a never-before-seen cosmic phenomenon. These projects aren't just about contributing to science, they're about being part of a global community of explorers, all working together to unravel the universe's mysteries. If you're passionate about space exploration, there are other ways to make an impact. Supporting initiatives like NASA Artemis program or private space ventures can help fund the next generation of missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Even smaller actions, like advocating for science education or sharing your enthusiasm for space with others, can ripple outward, inspiring the next wave of explorers. After all, the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about the discoveries we make today. It's about the legacy we leave for future generations. Technology has also made it easier than ever to stay connected to the latest developments in space exploration. Social media platforms and YouTube channels dedicated to astronomy and astrophysics bring the universe to your fingertips, offering real-time updates on missions, discoveries, and breakthroughs. Following these channels isn't just about consuming content, it's about staying engaged with the ongoing story of cosmic exploration, a story that's constantly evolving and full of surprises. But perhaps the most profound way to explore the cosmic labyrinth is through curiosity itself. Whether you're reading about the latest theories on dark matter, watching documentaries about the birth of stars, or simply marveling at the beauty of a crescent moon, every moment of wonder is a step deeper into the universe. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place of science, it's a place of imagination, of questions, and of connection. And the best part, you don't need any special equipment to start. All you need is a willingness to look up and wonder. As you take these steps, remember that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about the present, it's about the future. Every discovery, every question, every moment of curiosity adds to the collective journey of exploration. Who knows, the next great breakthrough might come from someone just like you, someone who decided to look up and ask, what's out there? The universe is vast, but it's also deeply personal. It's a story we're all part of, and every one of us has a role to play in uncovering its secrets. So, what are you waiting for? The cosmic labyrinth is calling, and the journey is yours to begin. The future of cosmic exploration is unfolding before our eyes, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. Over the next few decades, humanity is poised to take monumental steps into the unknown, from setting foot on Mars to uncovering the secrets of distant exoplanets. Each mission, each discovery, is a thread in the grand tapestry of our quest to understand the universe, a tapestry that's still being woven, one breakthrough at a time. One of the most immediate and ambitious goals is the exploration of Mars. NASA Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon as a stepping stone to the Red Planet, while private companies like SpaceX are working on technologies to make crewed missions to Mars a reality within our lifetimes. But why Mars? Beyond its proximity, Mars offers a unique opportunity to study a world that was once Earth-like, with evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and possibly even life. By exploring its surface, we're not just learning about another planet. We're uncovering clues about our own origins and the potential for life elsewhere in the cosmos. Yet Mars is just the beginning. Beyond our solar system, the search for habitable exoplanets is heating up. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope are designed to peer into the atmospheres of distant worlds, searching for signs of water, oxygen, and even complex organic molecules. These discoveries could revolutionize our understanding of where life might exist in the universe. Imagine finding a planet with Earth-like conditions orbiting a distant star, a world that could one day become a second home for humanity. But cosmic exploration isn't just about finding new places to live, it's about understanding the universe as a whole. Projects like the Vera-C, Rubin Observatory, and the Square Kilometre Array are set to map the cosmos in unprecedented detail, shedding light on dark matter, dark energy, and the origins of the universe itself. These observatories will act as cosmic time machines, allowing us to peer billions of years into the past and witness the formation of galaxies, the birth of stars, and the evolution of cosmic structures. What's truly exciting is how technology is driving this new era of exploration. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we process astronomical data, while advances in propulsion systems could one day make interstellar travel a reality. Concepts like solar sails and ion drives, once the stuff of science fiction, are now being tested as potential ways to traverse the vast distances between stars. And then there's the development of space habitats and sustainable living systems, which could enable long-term human presence on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. As we look to the future, it's clear that cosmic exploration is a collective endeavor. International collaborations, private sector innovation, and public engagement are all essential to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But perhaps the most inspiring aspect of this journey is its potential to unite humanity. Whether we're searching for life on Mars, mapping the cosmic web, or dreaming of distant stars, we're all part of a shared story, a story of curiosity, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The cosmic labyrinth is vast and full of mysteries, but with every mission, every observation, and every breakthrough, we're charting new paths through its twists and turns. The journey doesn't end with a single discovery, it's an ongoing adventure, one that invites us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the universe. And as we take these next steps, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, we're also discovering what it means to be human in a universe that's infinitely vast and endlessly fascinating. So, what lies ahead? The answer is as limitless as the cosmos itself. From the dusty plains of Mars to the distant glow of exoplanets, the future of cosmic exploration is a canvas waiting to be painted, a canvas that holds the promise of discovery, connection, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. And as we embark on this journey, one thing is certain: the best is yet to come. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a mirror reflecting humanity's deepest desire to explore, to ask questions, and to push beyond the limits of what we know. This drive to uncover the unknown is woven into our very DNA, a spark that has propelled us from ancient stargazers to modern explorers of the cosmos. It's what led Galileo to point his telescope at the heavens, what inspired Einstein to reimagine the fabric of space-time, and what drives us today to probe the farthest reaches of the universe. The cosmic labyrinth, with all its twists and turns, is a testament to this unyielding curiosity, a challenge that calls us to venture deeper into the unknown. But curiosity alone isn't enough. What makes the cosmic labyrinth so compelling is the way it connects us not just to the universe, but to each other. Every discovery, every mission, every breakthrough is a shared achievement, a reminder that we're all part of something greater. When we marvel at the beauty of a distant galaxy or puzzle over the mysteries of dark matter, we're tapping into a collective sense of wonder that transcends borders, cultures, and generations. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a journey through space. It's a journey that binds us together as a species, united by our shared quest for knowledge. This connection goes beyond science. The cosmic labyrinth inspires art, philosophy, and even the way we view ourselves. Artists have long been captivated by the cosmos, translating its vastness and mystery into paintings, music, and stories that resonate with the human spirit. Philosophers, too, have pondered the implications of our place in the universe, asking questions that challenge us to think deeply about existence, purpose, and meaning. And for each of us, gazing at the stars can be a profoundly personal experience, a moment of reflection that reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. What's truly remarkable is how the cosmic labyrinth bridges the gap between the personal and the universal. On one hand, it's a vast, impersonal expanse of galaxies and dark matter, governed by laws that operate on scales we can barely comprehend. On the other, it's a source of endless fascination, a place where we find meaning and connection. This duality is what makes the cosmic labyrinth so powerful. It's not just something we explore, it's something that explores us, challenging us to grow, to wonder, and to dream. And yet, as much as we've learned, the cosmic labyrinth remains full of mysteries. Dark matter, dark energy, the origins of the universe. These are questions that continue to elude us, inviting us to keep searching, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. But that's the beauty of curiosity. It's not about finding all the answers. It's about embracing the journey, about finding joy in the questions themselves. As we navigate the cosmic labyrinth, we're reminded that the universe isn't just a place to explore. It's a place to connect. It's a reminder that we're all part of the same cosmic story, a story that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold with every discovery we make. And in that story, each of us has a role to play, whether we're scientists, artists, dreamers, or simply curious observers. The cosmic labyrinth is vast, but it's also deeply personal, a journey that invites us to explore not just the universe, but ourselves. So, as we continue to chart our way through the cosmos, let's embrace the curiosity that drives us. Let's celebrate the connections that unite us. And let's remember that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a maze to navigate. It's a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit, a reminder that the journey is just as important as the destination. And in that journey, we find not just the secrets of the universe, but the essence of what it means to be human. The universe is more than just a collection of stars, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena. It's a vast, interconnected web that binds everything together. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, every part of the cosmos is linked in ways we're only beginning to understand. When we explore the cosmic labyrinth, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the universe, we're also discovering how deeply connected we are to it. Every atom in our bodies was forged in the hearts of ancient stars, and every breath we take is a reminder that we are part of a cosmic story billions of years in the making. This sense of connection isn't just scientific, it's deeply personal. Think about the last time you looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of awe. That feeling, that moment of wonder, is a connection to something greater than ourselves. It's a reminder that we're not just observers of the universe, we're participants in it. The cosmic labyrinth invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as threads in a vast, intricate tapestry, woven together by the forces that shape the cosmos. But the universe doesn't just connect us to the cosmos, it connects us to each other. Across cultures and throughout history, people have looked to the stars for inspiration, guidance, and a sense of shared purpose. The same constellations that guided ancient navigators still light our skies today, linking us to the generations that came before and those that will follow. In this way, the cosmic labyrinth becomes a bridge not just between the past and the future, but between people, ideas, and dreams. What makes this connection so powerful is the sense of wonder it inspires. The universe is full of mysteries that challenge our understanding and spark our imagination. From the enigmatic nature of dark matter to the breathtaking beauty of a spiral galaxy, the cosmos invites us to ask questions, to dream, and to explore. This wonder isn't just a byproduct of discovery, it's the fuel that drives us forward, pushing us to uncover new truths and expand the boundaries of what we know. Yet, wonder isn't just about the big, dramatic moments. It's also found in the quiet, everyday connections we make with the universe. A child marveling at their first glimpse of the moon through a telescope, a scientist poring over data from a distant star, or an artist capturing the majesty of a nebula on canvas. These moments of connection remind us that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place of science, it's a place of meaning. As we continue to explore the universe, we're reminded that the journey is as important as the destination. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a puzzle to solve, it's an invitation to connect to the cosmos, to each other, and to the boundless sense of wonder that makes us human. And in that connection, we find not just answers, but a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to reflect on the connections that bind us all. Whether it's the atoms in your body, the stars above, or the shared sense of awe that unites us, the cosmic labyrinth is a reminder that we're all part of something extraordinary. And in that realization, we find not just wonder, but a profound sense of belonging to the cosmos. The universe is a place of endless wonder, a vast expanse of beauty, mystery, and possibility that invites us to dream beyond the boundaries of our imagination. From the swirling colors of distant nebulae to the quiet majesty of a star-filled night, the cosmic labyrinth is a constant reminder of how small we are, and yet, how deeply connected we are to something so much greater. It's not just about the awe-inspiring sights or the mind-bending science. It's about the way the cosmos shifts our perspective, helping us see our lives, our planet, and even our struggles in a new light. Think about the iconic, pale blue dot image captured by the Voyager 1 spacecraft. From billions of miles away, Earth appears as a tiny speck of light, barely noticeable against the vastness of space. That image, more than any other, captures the essence of the cosmic labyrinth's power to transform how we see ourselves. It's a humbling reminder of our fragility, but also of our resilience. In the grand scheme of the universe, our problems may seem small, but our potential is infinite. The cosmic labyrinth doesn't diminish us, it elevates us, showing us that we're part of a story far larger than we can fully comprehend. This shift in perspective isn't just intellectual, it's deeply emotional. When we gaze at the stars, we're not just observing distant objects, we're connecting with a sense of wonder that has inspired humanity for millennia. The same stars that guided ancient navigators still light our skies today, linking us to the generations that came before and those that will follow. It's a reminder that we're part of a continuous, unbroken chain of curiosity and exploration, a shared journey that transcends time and space, But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about looking outward, it's also about looking inward. The mysteries of the universe, dark matter, black holes, the origins of life challenge us to confront the limits of our understanding and embrace the unknown. They remind us that uncertainty isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace, a source of endless possibility. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, the cosmic labyrinth offers a different kind of chaos, one that's full of wonder, creativity, and the potential for discovery. And then there's the beauty. The universe isn't just a place of cold, hard facts, it's a canvas of breathtaking artistry. The intricate swirls of a galaxy, the delicate glow of a supernova, the shimmering dance of the auroras. These are moments of cosmic beauty that remind us why we explore in the first place. They're not just scientific phenomena, they're invitations to pause, to marvel, and to feel a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. This connection is what makes the cosmic labyrinth so powerful. It's not just a place of science or exploration, it's a place of meaning. It's a reminder that we're all part of the same cosmic story, a story that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold with every discovery we make. And in that story, each of us has a role to play, whether we're scientists, dreamers, or simply curious observers. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to let the wonder of the cosmic labyrinth sink in. Let it shift your perspective, spark your imagination, and remind you of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The universe isn't just a place to explore, it's a place to dream, to connect, and to find meaning in the vast, beautiful mystery of it all. And in that mystery, we find not just answers, but a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. The journey through the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about uncovering the secrets of the universe, it's about discovering our place within it. As we chart the invisible roads that connect galaxies, unravel the mysteries of dark matter, and peer into the depths of space-time, something extraordinary happens, our perspective shifts. Suddenly, the problems and conflicts that consume our daily lives seem smaller, giving way to a profound sense of connection to something far greater. The cosmic labyrinth reminds us that we're not just inhabitants of Earth, we're stardust, born from the same ancient processes that forged the stars and planets. This shift in perspective isn't just humbling, it's empowering. When we see ourselves as part of a vast, interconnected cosmos, it changes how we think about our actions. Every decision we make, every step we take, ripples out into the universe in ways we can't fully comprehend. The cosmic labyrinth shows us that we're not isolated beings, we're threads in a cosmic tapestry, woven together by the forces that shape the universe. This realization isn't just philosophical, it's a call to action. If our choices have consequences on a cosmic scale, then we have a responsibility to act with care, to protect our planet, and to strive for a future that honors our connection to the cosmos. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a reminder of our fragility, it's also a source of hope. When we look at the universe, we're not just confronted with its vastness, we're also inspired by its resilience. Stars are born from the remnants of their predecessors, galaxies collide and merge, and the universe continues to evolve, adapting and thriving in ways we're only beginning to understand. This resilience is a metaphor for our own potential. No matter how daunting the challenges we face, the cosmic labyrinth reminds us that change is possible, that growth is inevitable, and that even in the face of uncertainty, there's always a path forward. This sense of hope is what makes the cosmic labyrinth so transformative. It's not just about understanding the universe, it's about understanding ourselves. When we gaze at the stars, we're reminded of our capacity for wonder, our ability to dream, and our determination to explore. The cosmic labyrinth invites us to see the universe not as a distant, unknowable void, but as a place of possibility, a place where the boundaries of what we think is possible are constantly being pushed. And in that space of possibility, we find something even more profound, a sense of belonging. The cosmic labyrinth connects us not just to the universe, but to each other. Whether we're scientists analyzing data, artists capturing the beauty of a nebula, or simply stargazers marveling at the night sky, we're all part of the same journey, a journey that transcends borders, cultures, and generations. It's a reminder that, no matter how vast the universe may seem, we're never truly alone. So, as we continue to navigate the cosmic labyrinth, let's carry this perspective with us. Let's remember that we're part of something larger, that our actions matter, and that even in the face of the unknown, there's always hope. The universe is vast, but it's also deeply personal, a place where we can find meaning, connection, and the inspiration to keep exploring. And in that exploration, we're not just discovering the cosmos, we're discovering ourselves. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a journey through space, it's a journey of perspective, of hope, and of connection. And as we chart our way through its twists and turns, we're reminded that the universe isn't just something to be studied, it's something to be experienced, to be marveled at, and to be cherished. So, let's keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep finding new ways to connect with the cosmos and with each other. The cosmic labyrinth is more than a journey through the mysteries of the universe, it's a testament to hope. Every time we peer into the depths of space, every time we uncover a new piece of the cosmic puzzle, we're reminded that there's always more to discover. The universe doesn't reveal its secrets easily, but with each breakthrough, each new insight, we're shown that the unknown isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace. This relentless pursuit of knowledge, this drive to explore the unexplored, is what fuels our hope. It's a reminder that no matter how vast or complex the universe may seem, there's always a path forward, always a new horizon to chase. But hope isn't just about what we find, it's about how we grow along the way. The cosmic labyrinth challenges us to think bigger, to dream beyond the limits of our current understanding. It pushes us to innovate, to collaborate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. Think about the countless scientists, engineers, and dreamers who have dedicated their lives to understanding the cosmos. Their work isn't just about solving equations or building telescopes, it's about lighting the way for future generations, about leaving a legacy of curiosity and courage. And that's where the cosmic labyrinth becomes more than a metaphor for exploration. It becomes a symbol of legacy. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, is a gift to the future. The data we collect today, the theories we test, the missions we launch, they're not just for us. They are for the generations who will come after us, who will build on what we've learned and take the next steps into the unknown. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just about what we know now, it's about what we'll know tomorrow and the day after that. This idea of legacy is deeply personal too. When we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing stars, we're seeing the echoes of those who came before us, the stargazers, the explorers, the dreamers who dared to ask, "What's out there?" And in that moment, we're reminded that we're part of the same story, a story that stretches back billions of years and will continue long after we're gone. The cosmic labyrinth connects us to the past, to the present, and to the future, weaving our individual journeys into the grand tapestry of the universe. So, as we navigate the twists and turns of the cosmic labyrinth, let's remember that it's not just about hope or discovery, it's about the legacy we leave behind. It's about inspiring the next generation of explorers, about passing on the torch of curiosity and wonder. The universe is vast, but it's also deeply personal. Every star we study, every galaxy we map, every mystery we unravel is a step forward not just for us, but for all of humanity. And in that journey, we find not just answers, but a deeper sense of purpose and connection to the cosmos. The Cosmic Labyrinth is a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities and that our story is still being written. It's an invitation to dream, to explore, and to leave our mark on the cosmos not just for ourselves, but for the generations who will follow. And in that invitation, we find hope, resilience, and the enduring power of the human spirit to reach for the stars. As we navigate the cosmic labyrinth, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the universe, we're also crafting a legacy that will resonate far beyond our lifetimes. Every observation, every experiment, every breakthrough is a stepping stone for future generations, a foundation upon which they'll build their own journeys of discovery. Think of it as planting a tree whose branches will one day reach heights we can only imagine. The work we do today, whether it's mapping the cosmic web or searching for signs of life on distant worlds, isn't just for us. It's a gift to those who will come after, a roadmap that will guide them through the twists and turns of the cosmos. This legacy isn't just about the data we collect or the theories we propose. It's about the spirit of exploration itself. When a child looks through a telescope for the first time or a student pores over images from a space mission, they're not just learning about the universe, they're being inspired to dream bigger, to ask questions, and to imagine what might be possible. The Cosmic Labyrinth isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a source of inspiration, a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. And inspiration, in turn, fuels progress. The stories of pioneering scientists like Vera Rubin, who uncovered the existence of dark matter, or Carl Sagan, who brought the cosmos into our living rooms, remind us that curiosity and determination can change the world. These figures didn't just advance science, they ignited imaginations, showing us that the universe is a place of wonder and possibility. Their legacies live on in the countless scientists, engineers, and dreamers who continue to push the boundaries of what we know. But leaving a legacy isn't just about the big names or the headline-grabbing discoveries. It's also about the small, quiet moments of connection, the teacher who sparks a student's love of astronomy, the parent who points out constellations on a camping trip, or the artist who captures the beauty of a nebula in a painting. These moments might not make history, but they shape the future, planting seeds of curiosity that can grow into a lifelong passion for exploration. The Cosmic Labyrinth also challenges us to think about the kind of legacy we want to leave. Do we want to be remembered for the questions we answered, or for the questions we inspired others to ask? Do we want to focus solely on what we can achieve in our lifetimes, or do we want to create a foundation for future generations to build upon? These aren't just abstract ideas, they're calls to action, reminders that the choices we make today will ripple across time and space. So, as we continue to explore the cosmic labyrinth, let's remember that we're part of something bigger. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, every moment of wonder we share is a thread in the tapestry of human exploration. It's a reminder that the universe isn't just a place to study, it's a story we're all helping to write, one that will continue long after we're gone. And in that story, we have the power to inspire, to connect, and to leave a legacy that lights the way for generations to come. The Cosmic Labyrinth isn't just a journey through space, it's a journey through time, a bridge between the past, present, and future. And as we navigate its twists and turns, we're reminded that the universe isn't just something to explore, It's something to cherish, to protect, and to pass on. Because in the end, the legacy we leave isn't just about the stars we map or the mysteries we solve. It's about the dreams we inspire and the connections we forge along the way. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place of discovery, it's a wellspring of inspiration, a constant reminder that the universe is brimming with possibilities waiting to be unlocked. Every time we peer into its depths, we're not just uncovering the secrets of stars and galaxies, we're reigniting the spark of curiosity that drives us to dream bigger and reach further. It's this sense of wonder that has propelled humanity from ancient stargazers to modern explorers, pushing us to ask questions that seemed impossible just a generation ago. What if we could travel to distant stars? What if we could unravel the mysteries of dark matter? These aren't just scientific questions, they're invitations to imagine, to innovate, and to redefine what's possible. But inspiration doesn't stop at the boundaries of science. The cosmic labyrinth invites us to reflect on our place in the universe, to consider how the vastness of space mirrors the vastness of human potential. When we gaze at a galaxy millions of light years away, we're not just seeing a distant object, we're connecting with a story that began billions of years ago. That story reminds us that we, too, are part of something larger, that our lives are threads woven into the fabric of the cosmos. This reflection isn't just philosophical, it's deeply personal. It challenges us to think about the choices we make, the legacies we leave, and the ways we can contribute to the ongoing story of exploration and discovery. What makes the cosmic labyrinth so powerful is its ability to inspire both awe and action. It's one thing to marvel at the beauty of a nebula or the complexity of a galaxy cluster. It's another to let that wonder fuel our creativity and determination. Artists, writers, and thinkers have long drawn inspiration from the cosmos, translating its mysteries into works that resonate with the human spirit. From the vivid paintings of space to the haunting melodies of symphonies inspired by the stars, the cosmic labyrinth has shaped our culture in ways that go beyond science. It's a reminder that the universe isn't just something to study, it's something to create with, to dream about, and to draw strength from. At the same time, the cosmic labyrinth challenges us to think critically about our role in the universe. It's not just about the grandeur of distant galaxies, it's about the fragility of our own planet, the delicate balance that makes life possible. When we reflect on the vastness of space, we're reminded of the responsibility we have to protect and preserve the only home we've ever known. This duality between inspiration and reflection is what makes the cosmic labyrinth so transformative. It pushes us to dream of distant worlds while grounding us in the reality of the one we inhabit. Ultimately, the cosmic labyrinth is a journey of both the mind and the heart. It's a place where science and imagination meet, where the boundaries of what we know blur into the possibilities of what could be. And as we navigate its twists and turns, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the universe, we're discovering the depths of our own potential. The cosmic labyrinth reminds us that the universe is vast, but so are we, boundless in our curiosity, our creativity, and our capacity to dream. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, let the cosmic labyrinth inspire you. Let it remind you that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved, challenges waiting to be met, and dreams waiting to be realized. Whether you're a scientist, an artist, or simply someone with a curious mind, the cosmos invites you to explore, to reflect, and to imagine, because in the end, the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a journey through space, it's a journey through the endless possibilities of what it means to be human. The cosmic labyrinth is more than just a metaphor for the universe. It's a mirror reflecting back to us the beauty, complexity, and infinite wonder of existence. As we journey through its twists and turns, we're not just uncovering the secrets of stars and galaxies, we're also learning profound truths about ourselves. The universe, with its vastness and intricacy, reminds us of the endless possibilities that lie within our own lives. It's a humbling reminder of how small we are, and yet how deeply connected we are to something so much greater. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place for quiet reflection. It's a call to action, urging us to explore, to question, and to dream. What makes the cosmic labyrinth so transformative is the way it challenges us to think beyond the boundaries of our everyday lives. When we gaze into the depths of space, we're confronted with questions that have no easy answers. What is our place in the universe? Are we alone? What lies beyond the limits of our understanding? These questions aren't just scientific, they're deeply human, inviting us to reflect on our purpose, our potential, and our place in the grand tapestry of existence. The cosmic labyrinth doesn't just teach us about the universe, it teaches us about ourselves, showing us that the journey of discovery is as much about looking inward as it is about looking outward. Yet, the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a place for contemplation, it's also a place for action. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, is a step forward in our collective journey to understand the cosmos. Whether it's mapping the distribution of dark matter, searching for signs of life on distant planets, or probing the mysteries of black holes, each effort brings us closer to unlocking the universe's deepest secrets. And in doing so, we're reminded that the pursuit of knowledge isn't just about finding answers, it's about embracing the unknown, about finding joy in the journey itself. This duality between reflection and action is what makes the cosmic labyrinth so powerful. It's not just a metaphor for the universe, it's a roadmap for how we navigate our own lives. The universe, with its endless complexity and beauty, reminds us that life is a journey, not a destination. It's a reminder that we're all part of something larger, that our actions matter, and that every step we take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger story of exploration and discovery. The cosmic labyrinth also teaches us about resilience. The universe is a place of constant change, where stars are born and die, galaxies collide and merge, and the very fabric of space-time bends and twists. Yet through it all, the universe endures, adapting and evolving in ways we're only beginning to understand. This resilience is a powerful metaphor for our own lives, reminding us that even in the face of uncertainty and challenge, we have the capacity to grow, to adapt, and to thrive. Ultimately, the cosmic labyrinth is a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities. It's a place where the boundaries of what we know blur into the vastness of what we've yet to discover. And as we continue to explore its twists and turns, we're reminded that the journey is as important as the destination. The cosmic labyrinth invites us to dream, to question, and to connect, not just with the universe, but with each other. It's a journey that challenges us to think bigger, to dream beyond the limits of our imagination, and to embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. So, as we reflect on the lessons of the cosmic labyrinth, let's remember that the universe isn't just something to study, it's something to experience, to marvel at, and to draw inspiration from. Whether we're scientists, dreamers, or simply curious observers, the cosmic labyrinth reminds us that we're all part of the same story, a story of exploration, discovery, and the enduring power of the human spirit to reach for the stars. And in that story, we find not just answers, but a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. The journey through the cosmic labyrinth doesn't end when the video does. It's an adventure that continues long after, inviting you to take the next step. Whether you're captivated by the mysteries of dark matter, inspired by the beauty of distant galaxies, or simply curious about the universe, there are countless ways to keep exploring. And the best part, you don't need a degree in astrophysics or a telescope the size of a house to get started. The cosmos is closer than you think, and the next chapter of your journey is waiting to unfold. One of the most impactful ways to dive deeper is by supporting space exploration initiatives. Organizations like NASA, the European Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from sending humans to Mars to launching telescopes that peer into the earliest moments of the universe. But these groundbreaking missions don't happen in a vacuum. They rely on public interest, advocacy, and funding. By staying informed about upcoming projects, sharing your enthusiasm with others, or even contributing to crowdfunding campaigns for space research, you're playing a role in shaping the future of cosmic exploration. If you're eager to learn more, the resources available today are more accessible than ever. Online platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy offer courses on astronomy, cosmology, and physics, often for free or at a low cost. Books by renowned scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson, Brian Greene, and Lisa Randall break down complex concepts into engaging, digestible narratives. And for those who prefer visual storytelling, documentaries like Cosmos and The Farthest bring the wonders of the universe to life in stunning detail. The key is to follow your curiosity, let it guide you to the topics that spark your imagination, whether it's the search for exoplanets, the nature of black holes, or the origins of the universe itself. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about what you can do, it's also about who you can connect with. Astronomy clubs, stargazing meetups, and citizen science projects provide opportunities to share your passion with others. Imagine joining a group of like-minded enthusiasts to observe a meteor shower, or collaborating with people around the world to classify galaxies. These experiences aren't just educational, they're deeply communal, reminding us that the universe is a shared space, one that connects us across cultures, borders, and generations. For those who want to get hands-on, consider exploring the night sky from your own backyard. With just a pair of binoculars or a beginner-friendly telescope, you can start charting the constellations, tracking the phases of the moon, or even spotting distant planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Apps like Sky Safari or Night Sky can help you navigate the stars, turning your evening into a personal cosmic adventure. And if you're feeling particularly inspired, why not try your hand at astrophotography? Capturing the Milky Way or a lunar eclipse isn't just a technical challenge, it's a way to create art that reflects the beauty of the cosmos. What's truly remarkable about the cosmic labyrinth is how it bridges the gap between the personal and the universal. Every time you look up at the stars, you're connecting with a story that spans billions of years, a story that's still being written, and in that connection, you're reminded that you're not just an observer of the universe, you're a participant in its unfolding. So, as you take the next step in your journey, remember that the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about action, it's about connection. It's about finding joy in discovery, sharing that joy with others, and being part of a global community that's united by a shared sense of wonder. Whether you're supporting space exploration, diving into a new book, or simply marveling at the night sky, you're contributing to a legacy of curiosity and exploration that will continue to inspire for generations to come. The universe is vast, but it's also deeply personal. It's a place where every question leads to new possibilities, every discovery sparks new connections, and every moment of wonder reminds us of the boundless potential of the human spirit. So, take the next step because the cosmic labyrinth is waiting, and the journey is yours to continue. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a solitary journey, it's a shared adventure, one that connects us to each other in ways that amplify our curiosity and deepen our understanding. When we explore the universe, we're not just uncovering its secrets, we're building bridges between people, ideas, and perspectives. Whether it's through a lively discussion at a star party, an online forum buzzing with theories about dark matter, or a classroom where young minds light up at the sight of Saturn's rings, the act of sharing our discoveries transforms the way we experience the cosmos. It's in these moments of connection that the universe becomes more than a distant mystery, it becomes a shared story, one that we weave together with every question we ask and every insight we uncover. What makes this shared journey so powerful is the way it multiplies our sense of wonder. Think about the last time you pointed out a constellation to a friend or explained why the moon changes shape. That spark of realization in their eyes isn't just about the science, it's about the joy of discovery, the thrill of seeing something new through someone else's perspective. The cosmic labyrinth invites us to not only look up at the stars, but also to look around at the people beside us, reminding us that exploration is as much about connection as it is about curiosity. And it's not just about sharing what we know, it's also about learning from others. The universe is vast, and no single person can grasp all its intricacies. By connecting with fellow explorers, we gain access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that enriches our own understanding. Perhaps it's an amateur astronomer who introduces you to the wonders of astrophotography, or a scientist who explains the latest theories about black holes. These exchanges aren't just educational, they're deeply human, reminding us that the quest to understand the cosmos is a collective effort, one that thrives on collaboration and mutual inspiration. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about connection, it's also about wonder. When we share our journey with others, we're reminded of the awe that first drew us to the stars. A child's gasp at their first glimpse of the Milky Way, a friend's delighted laugh as they spot a shooting star, or a stranger's quiet reflection on the vastness of space. These moments of shared wonder are what keep us exploring, even when the mysteries seem insurmountable. They remind us that the universe isn't just a place of cold, hard facts. It's a source of endless beauty and inspiration, one that brings us closer together even as it stretches our imaginations. The beauty of this shared journey is that it doesn't require any special expertise or equipment. Whether you're hosting a stargazing night with friends, joining a local astronomy club, or simply sharing a fascinating article about the cosmos with someone you care about, you're contributing to the collective exploration of the universe. And in doing so, you're not just deepening your own understanding, you're sparking curiosity in others, inspiring them to look up and ask their own questions. Ultimately, the cosmic labyrinth is a reminder that the universe isn't just something we explore, it's something we experience together. It's a journey that connects us not only to the stars, but also to each other, weaving our individual stories into a shared tapestry of discovery and wonder. So, as you continue to navigate the twists and turns of the cosmos, remember to look around. The people beside you aren't just fellow travelers, they're fellow dreamers, explorers, and seekers of the infinite. And together, there's no limit to what we can discover. The cosmic labyrinth is more than just a collection of stars and galaxies. It's a place where wonder meets perspective, where the vastness of the universe invites us to see our lives and our world in a new light. When we gaze into the night sky, we're not just observing distant objects, we're connecting with something far greater than ourselves. The beauty of a spiral galaxy, the eerie glow of a nebula, or the quiet brilliance of a star. These moments of cosmic awe remind us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But they also remind us how small we are and how interconnected we are with the cosmos. This sense of wonder isn't just about what we see, it's about what we feel. The cosmic labyrinth has a way of shifting our perspective, helping us see beyond the routines and challenges of daily life. Suddenly, the problems that seem so big in the moment, a difficult day at work, a missed opportunity, a personal setback, feel smaller in the grand scheme of things. The universe, with its infinite scale and timeless beauty, reminds us that there's always more to discover, more to strive for, and more to appreciate. It's a humbling yet empowering experience, one that encourages us to dream bigger and reach further. But the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about shifting our perspective, it's also about sparking our imagination. Every time we uncover a new mystery, whether it's the nature of dark matter or the potential for life on distant planets, we're reminded that the universe is a place of endless possibility. These discoveries don't just answer questions, they inspire new ones, pushing us to think creatively and explore ideas that might have once seemed impossible. What if we could travel to another star system? What if we could harness the energy of a black hole? These aren't just flights of fancy, they are invitations to imagine, to innovate, and to redefine what we think is possible. What's truly remarkable is how the cosmic labyrinth connects us not just to the universe, but to each other. When we share our wonder with others, whether it's pointing out a constellation to a child, discussing the latest space mission with a friend, or marveling at a cosmic phenomenon with a stranger, we're reminded that we're all part of the same journey. The universe isn't just a backdrop for our lives, it's a shared space, one that binds us together through a common sense of curiosity and awe. And in that connection, we find something even more profound, a sense of purpose. Exploring the cosmic labyrinth isn't just about uncovering the secrets of the universe, it's about understanding our place within it. It's about recognizing that we're not just observers of the cosmos, we're participants in its unfolding story. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, every moment of wonder we share is a step forward in that story, a reminder that we're all part of something larger than ourselves. So, as we continue to navigate the cosmic labyrinth, let's embrace the wonder it inspires. Let's allow it to shift our perspective, spark our imagination, and connect us to each other. Because in the end, the cosmic labyrinth isn't just a journey through the universe, it's a journey through the endless possibilities of what it means to be human. And in that journey, we find not just answers, but a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos and the boundless potential within ourselves. As we draw this journey through the cosmic labyrinth to a close, it's impossible not to feel a profound sense of awe at the sheer scale and intricacy of the universe. From the invisible scaffolding of dark matter that holds galaxies together to the mind-bending possibilities of wormholes and cosmic strings, we've ventured into realms that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. Each discovery, each question, has been a step deeper into the unknown, a reminder that the universe is not just a place of answers, but a playground of endless mysteries waiting to be explored. What makes this journey so extraordinary is not just the scale of the cosmos, but the way it connects us, to the universe, to each other, and to the very essence of what it means to be human. The cosmic labyrinth isn't just a metaphor for the universe's complexity, it's a reflection of our own curiosity, our drive to explore, and our determination to push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Every time we look up at the stars, every time we ponder the mysteries of dark energy or the birth of galaxies, we're reminded that we're part of something far greater than ourselves. But this journey isn't over, not for us and not for you. The cosmic labyrinth is vast, and there are still countless roads left to explore. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer, a curious beginner, or simply someone who finds joy in gazing at the night sky, the universe invites you to take the next step. What will you discover? What questions will you ask? The beauty of the cosmic labyrinth is that it's a journey without an end, a story that's still being written, and you have the power to shape it. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The universe isn't just a place of cold, hard facts. It's a source of wonder, inspiration, and connection. It challenges us to think bigger, to dream beyond the limits of our imagination, and to embrace the unknown with open minds and open hearts. The cosmic labyrinth reminds us that exploration isn't just about uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. It's about discovering the depths of our own potential. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the stars, the galaxies, and the unseen forces that shape our universe. But remember, this is just the beginning. The cosmic labyrinth is waiting for you to step inside, to explore its twists and turns, and to see where it leads. So, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep marveling at the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. The universe is vast, but it's also deeply personal, and its story is yours to continue. Now it's your turn. Take the next step and see where the cosmic labyrinth takes you. The journey is just beginning.